What's up, smooth low portion coin? What's up? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video. And guys, that is the warning video for all of you. I warn all of you that be safe from lows, guys. Be safe from lows. Now guys, at this time, if you look the price of the SLP coin, so now the right now price of SLP smooth low portion in the market is 0.136788 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the SLP coin. Furthermore, guys, if you talk about the price changes of the SLP coin, so the last 1 hour latest changes of the SLP coin is positive, but the last 1 day, last 1 week, I mean the previous changes of the SLP coin is negative. So this means that the previous time is a bad time, but the latest time is positive. And you know what, guys, the last 1 hour changes is positive. That is a temporary change. After 1 day, after 1 hour, the price change becomes again negative. So it is the last days of a month, and the last days of a month is a negative days, guys. And these days the price falls down, not a pump occur in the last of month, because a lot of holders are decide to sell. That's why the changes becomes negative, guys. Anyways, guys, so how you can save yourself from loss? I recommend for you that holding is the only way to save yourself from loss. Guys, just hold and be safe from loss, guys. If you hold, so possibilities that in the upcoming days, in the beginning of a new month, you already know about that, the higher possibilities that in the beginning of a new month the price take a quick jump. So please hold to the beginning of a new month. I hope, guys, you get a good profit if you hold for to the next month, guys. Anyways, guys, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about SLP coin? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.